In this video, I will be showing you top 10 richest Yoruba actresses in Nigeria 2024 and their net worth, cars and houses. Some Yoruba actresses earn money as brand ambassadors for companies, while others have numerous successful business. These are Nigeria's top 10 richest Yoruba actresses with a brief overview of their acting careers and other known sources of income. Number 1. Funmi Akindele. Olufunke Ayotunde Akindele was born on August 24, 1977 in Ikorodu, Lagos. Funmi Akindele, a Nigerian politician, actress and movie producer. She has produced films such as Battle on Buka Street, The Return of Jennifer, and 13th Day Ojo Ketala. Funmi is famous for her role in film Jennifer. People's Democratic Party nominated her as its gubernatorial candidate for the 2023 Lagos State governorship election. She won the 2009 African Movie Academy Award for Best Actress in a Leading Role. Her net worth is estimated to be $7.6 million. Number 2. Shola Sobowale. Shola Sobowale was born in Ondo State, Nigeria. She was born on 26 December 1965. Shola Sobowale is an actress, screenwriter, and film producer. She had a breakthrough in 2001 when she was featured in the drama series Super Story, Ho Father, Ho Daughter. Shola has also produced and written a script for the film Oyeyemi. She has won the 2019 African Movie Academy Award and the 2019 New Vision International Film Festival. The actress has an estimated net worth of $5 million. Number 3. Iyabo Ojo. Iyabo Ojo, Alice Iyabo Ojo, was born in Lagos State on 21st December 1977. Iyabo Ojo is an actress, director, and producer. She is famous for appearing in films such as Astray, Beyond Disability, and Black Veil. Iyabo has produced 9 films and written scripts for 5 movies. She has an NGO named Pinky's Foundation, which caters for children with special needs and less privilege. Her net worth is alleged to be $1.9 million. Number 4. Toyin Abraham. Toyin Abraham Oyeyemi was born on September 5, 1982 in Auchi, Nigeria. Toyin Abraham is famous for appearing in movies such as What Makes You Tick, Ijakumo, The Born Again Striper, Diamond in the Sky, and Don't Get Mad, Get Even. Toyin has also written scripts for 4 films and produced 10 films. She won the 2017 Five Continent International Film Festival for the Best Supporting Actress Features Film. Toyin was the ambassador for various brands and companies such as Checkers Custard Nigeria, a Lagos-based property outfit, and Revolution Plus Property. She is alleged to have a net worth of $1.6 million. Number 5. Messi Aigbe. Messi Aigbe was born in Benin City, Nigeria, on January 1st, 1978. Messi Aigbe is famous for being featured in films such as The Other Side of the Coin, the screenplay Little Drops of Happy and Brotherhood. She wrote a script and produced films such as 77 Bullets and Osas Omoge Benin. She owned a clothing store named McDivas, which she has launched on November 2014. In 2016, she founded the Messi Aigbe Gentry School of Drama. Messi Aigbe's net worth is alleged to be $1 million. Number 6. Dayo Amusa. Temidayo Amusa was born on July 20, 1983 in Lagos State. Dayo Amusa began her career in 2012 when she was featured as a judge in a film Osas Omoge Bini. Since then, she has been featured in many films such as The Stranger I Know, Meet the In-Law, and A Long Night. She has produced 2 films, Pathetic and Unforgivable. Her net worth is alleged to be $800,000. Number 7. Bukky Wright. Oluwabukola Sekinat Ajoke was born in March 31st, 1967 in Abeokuta, Nigeria. Bukky Wright is famous for appearing in films such as The Narrow Path, Pure Honey, and Giddy Blues. She ran for the senatorial position in the Ogun State House of Representatives through the Social Democratic Party in 2014. Bukky Wright is also a businesswoman with several businesses such as Big Collection Beauty Spa and record label company named Wright Media International. She is among the richest Yoruba actresses with an alleged net worth of $800,000. Number 8. Fathia Balogun. Fathia Akorede Adoni was born in Ikeja, Lagos State in February 1971. Fathia Balogun is famous for appearing in films such as Igiowo, Wasila Coded, Wasila Reloaded, and 10 Days in Sun City. She has won several awards, including the 2008 and 2014 African Movie Academy Award and the 2015 Africa Magic Viewers' Choice Award. She is the founder of Fathia and I, an NGO foundation that supports underprivileged children morally and financially. The actress is alleged to have a net worth of $750,000. Number 9. Doris Simon. Doris Simon was born in Lagos State on 22nd July 1979. Doris Simon famous for appearing in films such as The Seed, Hanatus, More Than Just 4 Letters, and Ilu America, Land of America. Doris has produced True Betrayer and Onitemi. Apart from acting, she is also the CEO of Davris Beauty Center. She has an estimated net worth of $500,000. Number 10. Ronke Odusanya. Ronke Odusanya was born in Ogun State, Nigeria on May 3rd, 1973. Ronke Odusanya famous for appearing in films such as Flaky Ijaya, Gongon, and Onika. She has written scripts and produced Gongon and Flaky Ijaya. Ronke was nominated in 2017 Best of Nollywood Award for Best Actress in the leading role in the film Ailatunse. She has an alleged net worth of $100,000.